There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby, sing on back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. What am I doing? I'm doing the last finishing touches on this Freddy Kruger glove. I didn't say gloves, I said Freddy Kruger glove this time. I keep using the word gloves, even though there's one glove. One glove, no love. So yeah, I'm trying to find the right size aluminum rivets. I was going to use metal ones, which I have a ton of them I could use, but the aluminum ones seem to be perfect. So I need 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and what the hell was the other one? Yeah, and then some other decorative ones. So you got, I have a ton of rivets in here, a ton. Question is, do I have 12 of the ones the right length, the right size? I got 2 here, 1 there. Don't make that 4. 4. Maybe I could use one. That's a hollow rivet. Where do I get all these rivets? A friend of mine just showed up one day with a complete box full of rivets, which is awesome. I was going to buy a whole bunch, and he showed up with all these. That's 5. Make this. That's a little too long. 6. Beggars can't be choosers. 6. 6. Maybe I can cut one of these down. 6. We'll just chop that one up. 7. Right now that would be 8. 9. That'll be 10. 10. I gotta sign this cold right now. No, I don't got the Rona. I got to sign this thing. What I said I was 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 rivets. And there's no one in here. 11. This would be like 12. See if I can find these short ones. I know I got a shitload here, but where's the... These are all long metal ones. I don't want to use the metal ones. See, I have like, literally, if I had more space, I could use these ones because, like, look at this. I have like a couple of hundred of these suckers. And they're perfect. You just bring them down to size and voila. But it's not that it's not all cracked up to has to be. Just want to put some rivets in here. Alright, let's see. There must be some other little short ones in here. I could maybe use this. I don't think it really matters. It's a Freddy Kruger glove. You know what I mean? Like, it's Freddy Kruger. This isn't... These are all decent ones. I'm trying to find the right length, because this... I'm not going to measure it, but that right there, little rivet, is the perfect length. They all just need to be that big. So anyway, I am going to turn the camera off for a second, see if I can line some of this shit up, bang a few rivets in, because I don't know. I'll do one on camera and the rest off camera, because there's no point. So yeah, that's it. Stay tuned. There'll be more to this video. Hello YouTube, it's me again. I'm not an expert riveter. I'm doing this by hand. I'm not heating them up because I was like burning the place down tonight, and I'm just hammering the freaking thing in here because that's how I'm doing it, and that's how I'm doing it. That's how the rest of it. Cool. There we go. It's enough to hold it on there. This freaking thing. A bit longer one here. I could use a regular like rivet gun, but I don't want those kind of rivets. I think if I do this again, I'm gonna make a jig for this. I might try this again. Actually making this thing from scratch all over again, just for the fun of it. This here, let's go. There we go. Good part about aluminum rivets is once you put them in, you can loosen them up a little. They kind of just see, you can give them a wig and a wag. Then they become, I gotta get them all loose like that. This thing is super ugly. It's awesome. Super ugly. Fugly ugly. Alright, now let's see. It's ugly awesome. It's not coyote ugly, but it's ugly. Coyote ugly. Alright, now. The hard part is getting this shit to line up. See, because I gotta... It's kind of like a learning experience, because if you don't line up one part, the other thing goes out of whack, and then it's all like, meh. Just doesn't want to cooperate. So, what am I doing now? I'm trying to get a second rivet in here, so I can line the holes up. But it's not going so well. It's not, because you can't really get your fingers in there. See, got in there, the other one just fell out. The other one just fell out. Try this again. Put this in there, walk the rivet over here. This in there. Put that rivet in there. Now, put this one in here. Yeah, shit. See, just switching. That one's on the floor. Let me try to get this one. I should use tweezers, what I should do. I should do a lot of things. So now I got that one there. That one lined up there. Come on. Get your butt in there. There we go. So now, bottom one fell out. The top one, I should say. These aluminum things just smash in there like nothing. It's like boom, done. Okay, come on. Come on, wiggy waggy. Let's go. There we go. There we go. I think I need to do is smoosh this one. Actually, let's go like this. Ta-da. A little bit shroomed out. This one, we'll shroom it out a little. He's not even straight. It's okay though. Now, we can proceed to loosen it up. Ta-da, I can't even see this thing. There we go. Anyway, that's what I'm doing. Loosening it now. Hallucinating it. Get it loose. It's nice and ugly. There we go, see. Alrighty then, this is number 3. Number 3. This should be the easy part. Should be. See, now the part is where I take number 3, put a rivet in there, lay number 3 down here, and then Hulk smash. But I gotta get that rivet long enough to Hulk smash it. So here's one rivet, rivet, rivet. Then I gotta take this thing and maybe take a heavier hammer. Just go like this. Ah, there we go. So now has to be loosened a little. Hulk smash worked good. Now we take number 2. That's number 0. 1, 0. This is number 2. Number 2. The poopy number 2. Da 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 da. Take a number 2 there. Oh, like this. Take the poopy head right there. Find the hole there. And then we'll Hulk smash this one. I think we'll use the round edge here. That one's... There we go. That one moves pretty good too. Coming along, dudes. People watching. Anybody with... Numero uno is this one. Numero uno. Numero uno. That should go in. I think I need a longer rivet. Rivet, rivet, rivet. So yeah, put that in there. That down on the pavement. And then we take a flat one and we just beat it into submission. There we go. George. I hope that doesn't come out. Doesn't look like it. It's, actually, it's perfect, but is it popping out? I don't know. Yeah, it's popping out. Damn it. Let me stop this and take it out. Alright, YouTubers. Problem number 4751 is got a solution to it. Longer rivet. Longer rivet. Solution number 425. Oh, wrong way. Wrong way. By George, I think I've got it. There we go. That's nice and loose. That's nice and loose. Bloody hell. Just coming out fabulous. Just like that laundry detergent. Fabuloso. That's how I feel this is coming out. Even though this is not sponsored by any laundry detergent whatsoever. I'm not sponsored by anyone. It'd be cool if it was though. There we go. Now, unfortunately, this thing tightened up way too much. Last one worked good. Some of the hiccups in building a Freddy glove. Now, seeing as I riveted it all, this is how we test it out. We stick this nice, clean welding glove in the holes, because look at this welding fingers in there. Okay, all in there, and gotta get this damn leather in there. See, there we go. Others in there, others in there, others in there. Well, folks, what do you think? Think Freddy would approve? Yeah. It's got a little hiccup here. You can move them. See? Yeah. Ta-da! I think that's pretty cool. What do you think? See? Ta-da! I think this looks... Oh. Look at that. That's that one. Prototype. And this is... I am not riveting it to these clothes. I'll put it in 2 decorators, one there. Ta-da! Let's put the rivets in there just for the hell of it. Just because. We'll put one. There's no point in me putting a glove in here because what the hell's the point really? So like this. Take this and Hulk smash that one. We'll take this one. Put it in there. Come on. Put that there. Hulk smash that one in place. And now I'm going to consider this done. I can get all my hands in it. It moves. It's ugly as shit, which is the way I wanted it. And ta-da! Look at that. I could rivet it to a glove, but you know what? Why? Look at that. It's not as easy to bend, honestly, because there's got to be 4 pounds of metal here. It's nice and sturdy. Like I could probably rip a finger off with this thing. I honestly probably could, if I sharpen these up, I probably could kill somebody with it. Not that I would want to. I used the perfect color metal. This thing's almost like armored. It's pretty cool. The other one just had a rivet in here in the glove. These were to hold on to the gloves, but I want. Look at that. I consider it done, folks. I'm taking my hand out of the glove here real careful, and I'll take a picture. And thanks for watching, and I hope you like this. If there's anything else you think I should have done or could do, I will continue it. If not, it's going on my wall of terror. I don't have a wall of terror, but I'll have one now. So yeah, let me put this down here. What do you call it? One Freddy glove. Ta-da! Brought to you by me. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.